Ever wondered how to create professional-looking videos but felt limited by skills, time, or resources? Well, buckle up, because Sora AI might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. What is Sora AI? Sora AI is a powerful artificial intelligence tool that allows you to create professional-looking videos with minimal effort. All you need is an idea, and Sora AI will handle the rest. Imagine feeding it a script, some keywords, or even just a broad concept, and within minutes you could have a captivating video ready to share with the world. Now you might be wondering, why use Sora AI when you can create videos the traditional way? Well, here are just a few reasons why Sora AI is a game changer. Effortless creation. Say goodbye to hours of filming, editing, and special effects. Sora AI streamlines the process, letting you focus on your message. Unleash your creativity. With a vast library of AI-powered options, explore animation styles, voiceovers, and visuals you might not have considered before. Boost your productivity. Free up valuable time and resources by letting Sora AI handle the video creation heavy lifting. Perfect for beginners. Even if you have zero video editing experience, Sora AI makes creating professional-looking content a breeze. Who can benefit from Sora AI? Sora AI's versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of creators, including YouTubers and content creators. Pump out engaging videos consistently, even with tight deadlines. Marketers and businesses. Create high-impact promotional videos to captivate your audience. Educators and trainers. Develop interactive and engaging explainer videos for any topic. Anyone with a story to tell. Share your ideas with the world through the power of video, regardless of your technical expertise. The democratization of video creation and potential concerns. Sora AI has the potential to revolutionize the way content is created. Traditionally, video production has been a complex and expensive process. Now, with Sora AI, anyone can become a video creator, regardless of their technical skills or budget. This democratization of video creation opens doors for educators, entrepreneurs, and anyone with a compelling story to share. However, with any new technology, there are potential concerns to consider. Here are a few things to keep in mind. The role of human creativity. While AI can automate tasks, human creativity will always be essential for crafting compelling narratives and developing engaging video concepts. Ethical considerations. AI-generated content raises ethical questions about originality and potential misuse. It's important to use Sora AI responsibly and ethically. Impact on the creative industry. Will AI tools like Sora AI replace traditional video editors? It's more likely that AI will become a valuable tool that assists video editors and content creators, not replace them entirely. Understanding the skeptics' concerns about AI-generated content. It's natural to have reservations about AI-generated content. Here are some common concerns and how Sora AI aims to address them. Lack of authenticity. Some might argue that AI-generated videos lack the authenticity and personal touch of human-made content. While true to some extent, Sora AI allows creators to inject their own personality through script writing, voiceover selection, and choosing the overall tone and style of the video. It's a tool to amplify your vision, not replace it. Quality and accuracy. Concerns exist about the potential for AI-generated content to be inaccurate or misleading. Sora AI is constantly learning and improving, and users have control over the source material and information they feed it. Additionally, reputable AI tools like Sora AI prioritize factual accuracy and offer various features to ensure content quality. Job displacement in the creative industry. A common fear is that AI tools like Sora AI will replace video editors and other creative professionals. While AI can automate certain tasks, it's unlikely to replace the human element entirely. In fact, Sora AI can be a valuable tool that assists video editors and content creators, freeing them up for higher-level creative endeavors. The rise of niche content and micro-communities. However, this potential saturation might also lead to a rise in niche content and micro-communities. With easier video creation, creators can cater to specific interests and build dedicated followings around those niche topics. Imagine AI-powered videos on historical sword-fighting techniques or in-depth explorations of obscure music genres. This could foster a more diverse and dynamic content landscape, where passionate creators connect with like-minded audiences. The future of video creation, human-AI collaboration. Looking ahead, the future of video creation is likely to be one of collaboration between humans and AI. Here's what this collaboration might look like. AI as a creative assistant. Imagine using Sora AI to brainstorm video ideas, generate storyboards, or even draft scripts based on your input. AI-powered editing and enhancement. AI could handle tedious editing tasks like color correction, adding transitions, or even basic animation, freeing creators to focus on higher-level storytelling. Personalized content creation. AI could personalize video content based on viewer data, tailoring the visuals, narration, or even the overall message to resonate with specific audiences. The future is bright, embracing the potential of AI. The integration of AI into video creation is an exciting development with vast potential. While challenges and questions remain, Sora AI represents a significant step forward in making video creation more accessible, efficient, and even more creatively stimulating. In the upcoming videos, we'll be putting Sora AI through its paces. We'll create videos using this AI tool, explore its functionalities in detail, and discuss the learning curve involved. We'll also delve deeper into the ethical considerations and potential impact of AI-generated content on various aspects of the creative industry. Join us on this journey as we explore the future of video creation. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel 10 Mins Info for more tips and tricks on content creation and other inspirational video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.